morning, I'm going to do an exercise by Stuart McGill. You have to put your knee into the floor, then the other. Put your hands into the floor, your elbow, straighten the leg into the rib cage and the pelvis into the floor. And then you have to stiffen the leg into the rib cage and the pelvis to the position of baby crawl. Extend your hip and finally open to the lunge position. Thank you very much and see you next day. Goodbye.